Hey guys, this is a quick video for you about the Recteq Patio Legend 400, what kind of thing you have to expect if you want to actually get it. Now, first of all, it's a great product, a very heavy duty, quality construction, high quality stainless steel, feels durable, perfect for people not cooking for crowds or catering, so it's not that insanely big, so that's great. And also app works well, show problem times, firmware can be updated, so these are like the great things. Now, you don't have a pellet dump, so this is very important. You have to manually clean out remaining pellets from the hopper. Maybe this is going to be like gone for you, but that's something you have to be aware of. Many competing pellet grills have a quick clean out feature. And also to clean the burn pot, you have to remove the grate and drip tray. That's another one. You have like smaller hopper, like 15 OB hopper capacity. So for the burning, it's going to like 5 to 10 minutes, so that's also like important to you. Now, yeah, you see right here that you can actually like use it, but you have to actually understand if it's like good for you. But still, it's not a bad product at all. So thank you very much guys for watching, and hope you are going to have a great day, and hope this video brought a little bit of value. Just like quick some important points for you to know if you want to actually like acquire the Legend 400. So have a great day and goodbye.